Hello, friends! Welcome to your daily English speaking practice. Today, we will practice simple English sentences that you can use in daily life. Speak with me. Don't worry about mistakes, just try. Let's begin. Repeat after me. I am learning English. I will improve every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. Practice makes me better. I can speak English slowly and clearly. Now let's speak about daily life. Today is a good day. I woke up early today. I am ready to learn new things. I'm practicing English now. I will speak English for 5 minutes. Great, keep going. I will ask a question. You answer in English. What is your name? Say, my name is Durdar. What are you doing now? I am practicing English. Why are you learning English? I am learning English to improve my future. Where do you live? I live in Marshar. Very good, speak clearly. Now repeat with confidence. I can do this. I will not give up. My English is getting better every day. I enjoy learning English. Confidence comes with practice. Excellent practice today. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need daily practice. Come back tomorrow for the next speaking practice session. Keep speaking, keep improving.